I always felt that McGill was able to attract the best and brightest students and provide them with an absolutely outstanding educational experience. But I didn't feel that McGill was doing enough to really help the students in their first career position.
I have to say the diversity of people that I've met, the resources that we got, and the opportunities to get involved with real life experiences like case competition or even having access to career services have been an incredible help to help me navigate where I wanted to go after graduation.
When I went to McGill supported me. And I always knew that when I had the ability, I would want to give back both in terms of time and money. And specifically, my wife and I have made the decision to support student mental health. And it's something where our money can have an impact. Earlier in our relationship with McGill, we supported 2 student awards, one for entrepreneurship and the other for international development. I chose to support internships because I wanted to give individual students the opportunity to do the sorts of things that they've always dreamed about.
As a recipient of the Peter Broge and CEO Future Fund of the Year scholarships, I've been able to put aside the need to work part-time as I was sustaining myself to college. And that really allowed me to give me time to get even more involved with the faculty, which eventually led me to become MUS president in 2018 and 2019.
Meeting with the students, talking to them about their dreams, their goals, what they're doing, following up with them later has just been amazing. It's so exciting to be able to share that time in their lives with these vibrant, young, energetic individuals.
I think it's important that the BCom students know that their experience at Desautels is not just the result of their tuition fees and government support, but it's also alumni and others that provide funding and get involved with the faculty to enhance their experience.
When I think back to my experience at Desautels, I realized that alumni have paved the way and allowed us to experience so much. And I think it is important for us to say thank you for your support. And now that I'm personally part of this, I'm looking forward to supporting the faculty too.
Education and learning is a lifelong experience. Embrace it and enjoy it. And support McGill in a way that is meaningful to you, both today and in the future. It will be enormously rewarding.